Hi guys, today we have a new premium phone from IQOO, IQOO 11. IQOO has managed to bring some fresh cutting-edge features here, including Qualcomm's latest and greatest chipset. The IQOO 11 very much like a IQOO 9 Pro. It has a similar size and design, but it brings an upgraded screen, a bigger battery and a cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The design here is pretty decent. The back is made with soft vegan leather with a signature striped accent. Thanks to a partnership with BMW Motorsport, the back is curves into an aluminum frame. You do not get any ingress protection here. On front of the IQOO 11 is a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with a QHD resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The movement on screen is extra smooth due to extra fast 144Hz refresh rate. But when you're not using the screen, it will dial down to 1 Hz to save energy. Now on to the brightness. We estimated a limit of 490 nits with the manual slider, and this can boost up to 1200 nits in auto mode when in bright sun. The content looks great with a pixel density of almost 520 ppi, and there also support for 10-bit color and HDR10+. The color accuracy is excellent depending on the settings you choose. For sound, the IQOO 11 has a pair of stereo speakers. The loudness is great and the sound quality is also decent with clear vocals. You open and unlock the phone with under-display fingerprint reader. It's very fast and reliable. IQOO 11 comes with 128, 256 or 512 GB of storage, but that is not expandable through microSD. The international version of the IQOO 11 runs FontouchOS 13 on top of Android 13. The interface of the phone brings some cosmetic changes and more customization options compared to stock Android. Like I mentioned before, the IQOO 11 is actually the first phone which comes with the new top Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It's improved performance up to 35 times better, and also improved efficiency of the CPU compared to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. There's support for new faster memory tech like LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 4.0, and the phone also packs an in-house V2 chip for display and image processing. When it comes to CPU performance, the GPU is also impressive. The thermal management here is great, so you can get pretty solid gaming performance. The IQOO 11 has a 5000 mAh large battery and its battery life is better too. It scored an excellent endurance rating of 127 hours in our tests. The IQOO 11 comes with a powerful 120-watt charger. With it we were able to charge the phone from 0 to 83% in just 15 minutes, and full charge takes only 30 minutes, so I have to say the charging speed is super fast. Now onto the cameras. The IQOO 11 comes with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel 2x telephoto camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Photos from the main camera are really good, the dynamic range is excellent and the color saturation is okay, sharpness and detail are great too. Portrait from the main camera has the edge. When it comes to the quality, it's great. Portraits from the telephoto, though, you get a more natural looks and you don't have to stand so close to your subject. The quality is still good, as is the edge detection. 2x zoomed photos are great and sharp, with low noise and good dynamic range. The colors not match the main cameras, though the ultra-wide's colors also different from the main camera. The quality is just decent, sharpness is okay and wide dynamic range. Selfies from a 16-megapixel front camera are great with a decent amount of detail, great sharpness, vivid colors and wide dynamic range. The IQOO 11 can record video in up to 8K at 30 FPS with this main camera. This footage is good with wide dynamic range and extra detail compared to the 4K footage. Recording from the telephoto and ultra-wide camera is up to 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. The quality is decent. So that is the IQOO 11. This year IQOO has managed to deliver a very well-rounded and premium device with a large screen, a powerful chipset, great battery duration and super fast charging, and the cameras are solid too. But the biggest issue of the IQOO 11 is availability. IQOO is Vivo's regional brand, so it only operates in a few countries like India, Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand. But, if you are lucky to have it in your market, so the IQOO 11 is definitely worth recommendation. So, this is the review of IQOO 11. If you like it, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.